In this lesson, students participate together in an auction in order to viscerally feel one of the great tenets of bidding. The worth of a thing is the price it will bring. In the discussion that follows, students will have to admit that they must have great value because the price paid for them was the death of God's Son, Jesus, on the cross, a high price indeed. 20 colorful and visually appealing auction items are up for bid, spanning broad interest levels of students and chosen specifically to tempt and tease. We are including bidding paddles and auction bucks. Students only receive $120 to encourage budgeting and cost analysis decisions. The 12-page lesson plan has clear instructions on how to best prepare for the auction and suggested wording that can be read or adapted during the lesson itself, which includes striking descriptions of each item up for auction. An optional price value estimate worksheet filled in by your students as the auction progresses helps bolster math and organizational skills in a classroom setting. A meaningful post-auction discussion brings students the story of Esau, who so devalued his birthright that he sold it for the price of a bowl of soup. And while students can struggle with self-worth and identity, you will lead them to the inevitable conclusion: their value was determined long ago on a cross. Indeed, their worth is based on the price that was paid for them, Jesus' shed blood. This lesson is appropriate for students in grades 4 through 12 and would make a great Sunday school lesson or youth group activity, or as a math or Bible lesson in the Christian school classroom.